So this right here is one of the easiest cat trees to deal with because it comes in a box about 2.5 feet tall. Now, it unscrews here, then unscrews here, and those are the two pieces. And then it's available. I think the top also unscrews, so we'll check that. So here we go. Yeah, the top is connected. Okay. So there's a special screw that makes sure that it's very well connected. See, this goes into a hole. So that's the first one for taking apart. Then this one comes apart. And then you're able to walk away. Move it very easily. And it's a very stable connection. Its tubes are remarkable. Yeah, I haven't screwed up anything. The first one I ever got, this had broken threads. And now this is one piece, basically 3 pieces. And isn't that great? This is the size of the box, and then those 2 pieces fit kind of sideways in here. Thank you for watching. So obviously the top one goes in first. No, it's wrong. It goes backwards. The one with the TV hole, that goes in first, and then it lines up like this, and the second piece comes down here. So I took the tall piece off first and the TV off second. So then to go back on, it's kind of like shoes off, then you put on the socks, and then when you go backwards, you put on the socks and then the shoes. And look who's here.